notification center not showing on your iPhone. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is you should make sure that you are launching notification center correctly on your iPhone. The next workaround to fix this issue is turn off voice over. And to turn off voice over, go to settings of your iPhone. Here tap on accessibility and here tap on voice over and turn the toggle button off against voice over option. The next method to fix this issue is enable notification center access when locked. Go to settings, tap on Face ID and passcode. Unlock your phone using passcode or Face ID. Here scroll down and look for the option section allow access when locked. Go to the section allow access when locked and here enable notification center options. Turn the toggle button on and check whether your notification center appearing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, tap on settings of your iPhone, go to general and update the latest iOS version of your system. Also, you should turn on automatic updates to receive updates as soon as they released. The next method is restart your iPhone. Go to general and scroll down and tap on shutdown and move the slider to power off your system. And if this method does not work, reset your iPhone settings. Go to tap on settings. Here go to general, scroll down and choose transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset. And here choose reset all settings, first option. After that your notification center will show in. That's